Hi folks, this is Rick Putzen with the DX302 again. This time, I'm going to turn the, didn't want to turn it off. This time, I've been working on these display lamps. If my tremors will leave me alone. Aren't those nice and pretty? Nice and bright. And no, it is not this backlight. That is the real deal. And this is how I got them so bright. I used 7 of these lamps. I got them off Flea Bay, and not that tape. I used some double-sided sticky tape. That I use it for everything. I've mounted here it is. I've mounted CBs to dashboards with that tape, and it'll stay there. So what you do is you get into the radio, and you remove this board. It's just, once you get the front panel pulled loose, you remove this board. And you can see right here is where the old lamp used to be. In fact, you can see some of the old tape here. And I put 3 of those LEDs right here. And here's the leads coming out the top. 3 of them to get them this bright. And then you have to remove this board right here. There's a screw down in here. You have to take this front panel off. There's a screw down in here. And I hate that screw. I hate that screw. I hate that screw. I put 4 of them in there. I covered that thing with that tape. You see the wires for the LEDs, brought them out in here, separated them out. Black to that terminal, red to that terminal. Don't forget your ground lead that comes up from down here, and your ground lead or your power lead coming in from the system, from the radio, and your ground lead coming in from your meter, and you'll be fine. Anyway, 7 of them little puppies. Seven of them little puppies makes it nice and bright. And I'll tell you what, I really like it. I really like it. I'm going to go on to other project. I'd like to, if anybody has one of these radios, if you can measure the feet for me and tell me what the feet are. I'd like to find some feet because mine doesn't have any feet. I'd like to know how big the feet are, so I can find some feet. That'd be nice. Anyway, this was fun. It took me a while to figure out the right combinations of LEDs. You know, I took these little things. I tried cutting the tops of these off and sticking the bulbs through there. That didn't get it bright enough. I tried mounting these on the other sides to get the LEDs closer. That didn't work. This is what worked for me. This is what worked for me. And I tell you, yep, that works for me. This is Rick playing with a realistic DX302. I'm not going to button this up yet because I have something else I want to do for this, but I hope you liked this and found it interesting. Comments below, hit the subscribe button, and be safe. Bye now.